In this video, we will go over how to mount your panels in a vertical configuration. Please note that this assembly does require more skill.
First, make sure that you have a drill, a level, a pencil, and tape measure. To begin, measure the wall that you intend to hang your panels on. Using your measuring tape, find and mark where the center of your arrangement will be. Use your level to draw a straight line to indicate where you want your panels to start. With your wall marked, take your first set of brackets and a single panel. Click one bracket at a time into the panel's plastic clips located on the back of each panel. Before inserting your bracket, it is important to ensure that the metal stopper is at the bottom of the bracket assembly and that the panel is positioned at the center of the brackets. Then, slide the panel down until it hits the stopper. Lift the assembly and position it flush against your wall. Be sure to align the panel with your pencil mark on the wall. Next, drive the included anchorless screws into the first exposed bracket holes. Now, slide your first mounted panel over the mounted screws. With the screw holes exposed, finish drilling the remaining screws into the wall to secure the bracket to the wall. Finally, slide the panel back until it clicks into the stopper. Once the bracket is secured, take your remaining panel and line up the plastic injectors with the metal brackets. Then, simply push to click the panel into place. Now we are ready for the second set of panels. Be sure to align your assembly with your previously mounted panels. This is a very important step to ensure proper alignment and spacing. Now, drill on the top of the first panel and slide up to screw. Next, slide your first mounted panel over the mounted screws. With the screw holes exposed, finish drilling the remaining screws into the wall to secure the bracket to the wall. Finally, click your last panel into the brackets to complete your layout.
It's that easy to completely transform any room into your very own luxurious oasis. For affordable luxury and elegant comfort, look no further.